Hi guys, we are in Flying Upload here, and I just made a great discovery I did not know. I don't know if you see that this RB here, that means that this design has been uploaded into Redbubble already, and I believe that's TeePublic. So that's super exciting that it helps keep track of where it's been uploaded. So my next design, it doesn't look like it's been uploaded to anything. And then my next design looks like it's been uploaded to TeePublic and Tostadora, I believe is the last one. So we're trying to troubleshoot my Tostadora right now. Um, my designs did not, my design got added, but my items were not created the last time I uploaded in Flying Upload. So I'm trying to troubleshoot this. Oops. I just noticed there was no title. No, there. Okay, it's all titled. Okay, great. So we're gonna go to upload, um, and these are different designs than what it was. My new Halloween designs were not working as far as the designs were uploaded, but the items were not created in Tostadora. So we're gonna go to Tostadora and hit start. But before we do that, I just want to go to Tostadora right here, and I'll just show you real quick. So we're in my Halloween store, and you can see the designs are there, and Flying Upload did that. But when we click on Manage Items, there are no items there. So if we go into one of my older stores, you can see that the items are there. That's some sort of wall hanging, I think. And the designs are there. So then if we go to the new store that I want to add designs into that I haven't added anything into yet, it's this one. And we're going to upload, Flying Upload into there and see if that's going to work. If it's going to add, I got to make sure we're in the right store. Let's see, try to get in. I want those designs to go into a different store. Okay, great. So the crosses are gonna be added to the cross store. And so you can see it's adding the designs right now. And we'll have to check back on it to see if it's going to create the items or not. I don't know if I did something wrong or if Flying Upload did something wrong, so I am troubleshooting and trying to figure out what's going on here. And we will end the video, and I will make a new one showing you the follow-up with this, what's happening with Tostadora, creating the designs but not the items with Flying Upload.